Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Graham Cracker J and you are watching Graham Cracker J TV. Today, I'm going to give y'all a weekend vlog. And I decided that if I do post, it's gonna be on Fridays now. So here we go, we got a schedule. I'm gonna stay true to it. I'm actually gonna post this on next Friday. Give myself a chance to actually be able to edit the way I want to. I was posting every Monday, but then I was thinking like, people are at work, they're busy. Not the smartest. You may be asking, why am I doing this? Well, I'm about to go to my best friend's birthday dinner. We're going to, what is that place? Glory. Y'all, I keep wanting to say Glory Holes. It's Glory something. Glory Plays. Something like that, y'all. Well, y'all see. So I am literally just doing this so that it could get the facial hair off because my mustache is back and it's better. I don't want it bad as ever. It's Friday the 11th and I'm actually not done with work. I get off work at 5:30, but I am on my 15-minute break. So I was like, hey, let me get this stuff done. We're meeting up at 7, so. And it's, I think, 30 minutes away. Glory Days? It's Glory Days. Yeah, the restaurant's called the Glory Days. Y'all, even my phone said Glory Holes. I'm like, what the hell are you thinking about, phone? Like the autocorrect, y'all. It's a hot mess. I have no plans for this weekend. But yeah, my alarm should be going off for my 15-minute break to be over. So I'm about to head back to work. So this is the first one. It's very flowy. I got this off of Shein. This is my first time ever ordering from them. And then I got this one. Also very flowy. Very cute. Only thing that I'm not too crazy about is this one feels really, really cheap when you put it on. Like, I don't know. And both of them came with shorts, black shorts. Alright, so I'm doing my hair now. It's on a very low setting, y'all. Y'all, I done forgot to vlog, but we have crafted. We've taken a couple shots so far. Over here.
Are you on the ride? I'm done for the ride.
So we're heading to a bar called Quincy's. Y'all, isn't this car a vibe? Look. And it smells good. Look, we riding in style today. Ooh, she about fell. I almost got on camera. It's a little
In 300 feet, you'll arrive at Tommy Joe's.
I've been down here.
We are out of the club and I think we're done for the night. I'm not sure. I'm not driving. I'm intoxicated. Huh? Look, ain't nobody rushing me.
I am the green pants.
What?
No, I think I was talking about
It's not us. Why he stop like that? Oh my God.
What do y'all want to eat?
I'm good on McDonald's.
What's the password? 301.
Oh Lord. Shut up. Shut up. Alright, so y'all, my neighbor is outside playing some very, very nice guitars. I am so tired from last night. Like I said, I didn't get home until like 5 a.m. So y'all know how that is. Oh, hear that? It's so chill. It's about 2 p.m. so we're not bugging other neighbors, or we might be, but fuck it. I am so tired. I cannot go to sleep. I can't get comfortable.
Grace?
Pointless yawn. Y'all, let's just say that I'm not really cut out for clubbing. I danced my ass off yesterday. I had so much fun. But today, I don't feel good. It's Saturday and I've just been like moping around. I've been telling myself, no, you need to relax because I want to go swimming. I want to do all this other stuff. But I'm just like, I'm literally drained. I did drink. I took tequila shots. I was doing my Jack and Coke, just all of that stuff. It was lit, y'all. I was lit. I was having fun. I was out there on the dance floor with my no rhythm ass. Like, look, I don't know how to dance. I had this one guy come up to me. If y'all have ever seen Despicable Me, y'all know who I'm talking about. The dad, is his name Gru? Anyway, I'm gonna put a picture right here. There was a guy that looked just like him, and he was really trying to dance with me. And my friend's like, you're fumbling the bag, you're fumbling the bag. And I'm like, I don't want that bag. Like, you know, because he was really awkward, like, yeah. I was like, oh no. Like, and there was a couple times where I was dancing that a guy would come behind me, and I was just like, oh. So, this one guy, and he was a handsome looking man. He came behind me, and he started dancing, and I felt his anaconda, and I said, oh no, like, it's not for me, y'all. It's never been for me. Like, I like dancing. I don't mind dancing alone. I just don't want people to be in my space. Like, I'm very known for my own personal space. Like, if you're coming up to hug me, like, don't just sit here and wrap your hands around my neck. Like, my reflexes from where I'm from, like, I'm ready to fight a bitch 24/7. Like, so that right there was just, it was a trigger. It was very triggering for me. We made it to Ikea. It's packed in here. I wanted to go to DC, but then I was thinking, like, nah. Ikea has too much time on their hands. The last time I was in an Ikea, I was in California. This is a huge store.
Look at that squirrel. His hand.
His hand. The way you said that.
As if it's like a 5 when really.
Oh, thank you. I'm here with Dop Dop. Say hi.
No, not in the camera.
You're not in the camera.
Oh, okay. Hi. You always embarrass me on YouTube. They're not supposed to know who I am.
They don't know who you are.
Never. I know who I am. She knows. Look, I have a whole video to myself, man.
I'm currently at the dentist.
We're gonna start out the answer. We're gonna do this thing first.
A robot is beak. How can you talk? Light on the stick, really gentle. There's little grooves right here, okay? This is gonna go around your head and beak.
Thank y'all so much for watching. Give this video a like, share, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And I will see y'all later.